Hello, my name is Josep Steven Manrique Herrera. I am 23 years old. I grew up in the city of Duitama. I live in Duitama. I'm single. I like to play football soccer. I am meaning work supervision quality working in the transforming maintenance industry. I have worked in the quality control cooking process assistant and currently I am productions assistant in transforming maintenance. I studied mining supervision at the Sena and studying industrial engineering. My personal qualities are resilience, punctuality in the work. My skills are to work good, assertive communication, ace learning, and teamwork. My weaknesses are courage and work under pressure. I am a good candidate because they have different knowledge as they are very versatile and can be linked quickly with the profile you are looking for. As you hire me, you will get improvements in each of the established process together with a loyal person with whom you will be to serve in this company which great advance in production and quality of each of our final products.